I'm Jessie from the Swing Project, and in this video we're looking at solo jazz moves for Lindy hoppers. Let's take a look at two fun moves, the Mambo step and the classic Boogie drop. Let's start off with our Mambo steps. We're going to begin on our right foot, doing a little rock step off to the side. Rock step. Because this is a Mambo, rather than just doing a kind of simple rock step, we want to actually get that hip involved and push it out when we do that rock step. Then we're going to take that right foot and cross it across our left. This is a travelling step going from side to side. Have a little look. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, Mambo step. Then we're going to repeat it on the left leg. Rock step and cross. Mambo step. Let's try it together. Let's do 4 of them. 2 on the right, 2 on the left. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, Mambo step. Mambo step, Mambo step, Mambo step. I like to get my little finger out and point as I do it. It's a nice little bit of styling to add in. Let's give it one more try. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, Mambo step, Mambo step, Mambo step, Mambo step. We're going to pop this on with our Boogie drops, another classic solo jazz move. We're going to start on our right foot again, and we're going to do the rhythm bump, bump, bump. A boogie drop. Let's give it a try. We're going to tap twice with our right foot, boogie, and then put our weight onto that right foot and bring our whole body down. Drop. When we put it together, have a look. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, boogie drop. I like to bring my arms up to really emphasize that drop and contrast in levels. Give it a try with me. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, boogie drop. You can add a little extra styling in. Instead of just doing 2 straight touches, touch, touch, drop, you can instead bring your first touch in towards you. Touch, touch, down. It's up to you. Let's try putting 4 of them together. 2 on the right, 2 on the left. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, boogie drop, boogie drop, boogie drop, boogie drop. We're going to pop it together with our Mambos. 4 Mambos and then 4 boogie drops. 2 on the right, 2 on the left for each style. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, Mambo step, Mambo step, Mambo step, Mambo step. Boogie drop, boogie drop, boogie drop, boogie drop. Why not try both of those moves to one of your favourite songs to dance to? And have a go at finding some styling that really suits you to create a boogie drop that's all you on the dance floor.